Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today it's Guy Fawkes night. Yay! I'm so excited to play fireworks. So happy. So today, here's the plan, guys. We're gonna play fireworks night. It's so excited. Many people are playing fireworks tonight, especially kids are wearing warm clothes. Don't wear shorts and don't wear a jumper. You guys should get sick. Honestly, you guys should get sick. So please put your wear warm clothes and make sure to keep it secured. Stay away from risky fireworks. Do not go by nearby fireworks. You're gonna get close dangerous. Your parents gonna close very serious. So please be witness to yourself and then enjoy play fireworks. So today here's my plan is gonna wait for 3 hours, guys, because the sun still at the moment. So I had to wait for sunset about 7:55 before 8 o'clock starts playing fireworks until 11. So the kids are going to bed early, especially kids are pretty early, sleeps at 10, 11. So beware if you have family, just remind them, don't play fireworks, especially kids are going to bed. So please just make sure you manage yourself as a family. If you have animals, please make sure they keep it safe. Don't let them out outside. It's really dangerous. So today is my plan is to wait for 3 hours. Second is, if you have animals, please put it inside in the house to make sure stay away from nearest outside, because my house is right nearest outsiders, which is the garage. So I was near them. So I'm planning to move my dog move to my parents' room. My parents' room is quite safe for him to be less noise, because he get too frightened, especially like the lights. But when it's like ting, ding, very loud, he can go under the bed, keep him safe. So please don't let him out for animals that comes out. Please don't let them up. Of course, can get death. Noises for earrings can go through hard in the brain, can get shuttled out. So if you're like really scared, like you can feel like blocks the lungs, and you know, if you're like too panicking, it makes feel like not gonna work, they get killed. So that is why my plan is to put my dog and stay safe. So I wanted to make sure he's a good. So my parents and I, we're gonna play. We're gonna have 20 minutes play. They come inside to make sure that how's Leo going, to make sure he's good, safe. So we want us to keep him safe. Third is that when you finish playing fireworks, please pick it up and throw rubbish. Don't leave it outside. Maybe the police might be complaining you guys have left the fireworks in your house. Please, when you finish playing fireworks, pick it up, throw rubbish. Make sure when it's the fireworks heating, when it's cool down for a few hours, then you pick up. Make sure don't leave it outside. It's like really respectful of the road and your house. That's why I make sure guys keep it safe. And fourth, just relax, enjoy for the vlog for the day. That's what I'm gonna do. So right now is 4:24, so we're just gonna wait for 3 hours. I'm so excited to play. It's gonna be fun. So my actual plan is to get modeling. We're doing some photos, but not nearby fireworks because it's quite dangerous. But I'm gonna take a picture. Smugglings. That is it. I maybe take 2-3 photos. Then I'm gonna edit, put it to my Instagram post, and now I'm gonna do planning for Pinterest. I'm doing Pinterest planning, so I'll keep it up to date. That's like making diaries, just like quite similar, so just make them fun. So my Pinterest is starting making right now, so I'm gonna be putting on everything, like making sure that my Instagram is up to date. Just leave that. I'm doing Pinterest, just doing some setting up everything. Then ready for next year, starting real Pinterest, just like a diary. just like diary. It says D diary. We did so far, we had fun. And the pictures would know that you are modeling, so they would know they will pick you the best model shoot. So that's what I'm gonna do. Same thing in Instagram, I do different ones. I'm doing hashtags. Instagrams are only part of it. Hashtags and pictures is like a story about you, what you did, how do you feel about your hobbies, and things like that. Just like make them both connected so we know my creator up to dating, so we'll be continuing for this journey in the future. That's what I'm gonna do. So I think I'm gonna go now. My dog needs me. I don't know why, but he wants to play with me. He took a nap. He slept with me. He took a nap. He's like really allergy now, so he might be a bit sleepy later. So yeah, I gotta go start preparing for fireworks. Let's go. Okay guys, it is so fun. It's so cool fireworks, especially people get scared but used to, and you guys will hope calm and relax. Hope you guys have a good dinner, but it sounds like really chilly now, so hope you guys have a warm something to drink. Hope you get stuff very warm, and make sure you guys have a great fun fireworks. So that is it for this video. Make sure to click that subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy this evening. Hope you guys continue playing fireworks until the evening ends up. So that is it. So I probably gonna go finish my dinner. So that is it. So see you guys next video. Bye for now.